that look on my face right there wasn't good. All right, guys, no. Let's make something, yep. I'm Chef Tim, and this week on the island we're making honey-baked ham and turkey Thanksgiving Sundaes. All right, guys, I love this recipe for a number of reasons. Number one, super easy. Number two, they are adorable. Number three, they work for Friendsgiving, they work for the day of Thanksgiving, and they work for after Thanksgiving when you're looking for ways to get rid of your leftovers. So you can really break this recipe out at any point, wow people, make people happy. Let me show you how to make them, and we'll see what you think. For this recipe, you will need the honey-baked country cornbread stuffing, honey-baked ham or turkey, or better yet both, the maple sweet potato souffle, and the creamy russet mashed potatoes, the roasted turkey gravy, the honey-baked cranberry-walnut chutney, and finally, some fresh Italian parsley for garnish. All right guys, let's make some sundaes. First things first, I have all of my ingredients out in front of me. Everything has been preheated and is ready to go. Let me walk you through the ingredients we're gonna be using today. We're gonna be using the honey-baked savory cornbread stuffing, our sweet potato souffle, creamy russet mashed potatoes, the honey-baked turkey gravy, delicious. We have our cranberry and walnut chutney. We have some roasted turkey, smoked works just as well, and then we also have our bone-in ham. And then finally, a few pieces of Italian parsley just as garnish. You wanna make everything look beautiful for your guests. So let me walk you through a couple of these. First things first, we're using these small mason jars today. If you have a larger family or big eaters and you know they're gonna have a lot of food, I'd get larger jars or larger glasses. Really any heat-proof, heat-resistant receptacle will work just fine. We're gonna make two versions of this today. We're gonna do a turkey version and a ham version. I'm gonna walk you through each, starting with the turkey version. You're gonna grab your jar, you're gonna fill that with a big scoop of the cornbread stuffing right along the bottom. That in turn is gonna be topped with the turkey. That then will be topped with a big scoop of the creamy russet mashed potatoes. You're gonna drizzle everything with the turkey gravy. You're gonna wanna make sure that gravy can get down to the bottom so everything is nice and moist and delicious. Finally, we're gonna do a dollop of the honey-baked cranberry walnut chutney, and then we're gonna top everything with a couple pieces of parsley to make it look nice. Next, we'll do a ham version of this. Very similar. We're gonna take our ball jar and we're gonna top it with a big scoop of the cornbread stuffing. That in turn is gonna get topped with the honey-baked ham. That will get topped with a big scoop of the sweet potato souffle. Give everything a drizzle of gravy again and a dollop of the cranberry walnut chutney. And then finally, of course, a little bit of garnish on top. One thing to note, while these are the ingredients we're using today, feel free to use any ingredients you have. If it sounds good to you, stack it in there. I bet you it's delicious. Let me show you how to make a couple of these. Guys, that's it. Not only are these cute and delicious, they are also a great way to practice social distancing. Everyone has their own individual serving and you're not passing plates around. That's gonna do it for this week. Enjoy your holiday. We'll see you next time.